two main components of Android: activities and resources. Okay, so activity will be your Java code or utility functions. Activity can be a service, broadcast receiver. Okay, so Android projects will have two parts: SRC, that is Java code, and second is resources, which will have static code. Okay, so static code में आते हैं आपके images, layouts and constants. And third and fourth main important file is Android manifest.xml. Okay, so that's the master configuration file of your project. It has all the details, that what all activities you have, what all services you have, okay, and what is the permission that the app is asking for. So all those details will be there in manifest file. Okay, so activities does not only mean activities, it is all your Java code. Okay, so for simplicity I have written activities. वहाँ पे SRC आएगा पूरा आपका प्रोजेक्ट में. तीन मेन कंपोनेंट से क्लियर हो गया आपको: SRC, resources and manifest file. Okay, now what is the manifest file? That will cover on the next slide. Okay, so what is the manifest file? It has list of activities, list of services, list of broadcast receiver, list of content providers. So all four components you need to register in manifest file. Second है आपका permissions. So you will have to add all the usage permissions. So if the app is asking for any permission, you will have to add it. Maybe internet permission or read phone state permission. So all the permissions you have to add. Third है minimum API level. So that's the minimum version on which your app can run. And fourth है API library usage. So that is the library usage part. Okay, now for API level, this is the number that is associated with the operating system version. Okay, so we are not supposed to mention 4.1.4, we have to mention the number associated with that OS. So that is the API level. तो वहाँ पे आप क्या मेंशन करोगे? सपोज अगर आपको चाहिए कि जिंजरब्रेड ऑनवर्ड सभी डिवाइसेस पे सपोर्ट होना चाहिए, तो आप मिनिमम API दोगे 9. ओके, सो इट विल रन ऑन ऑल द APIs from 9 to onwards. Yeah, 9 onwards, all devices it will support. So please note down this chart, it is very important. एक बार रीड करिए, आपको समझ आ रहा है कि क्या है. सी जिंजरब्रेड में बहुत सारे वर्जन्स है, 2.3.1, 2.3.2. So for every OS there is a API number associated with it. Okay, so that chart we have to remember. Now the most recent is 23, which is Marshmallow. ये अभी बहुत कम डिवाइसेस पे है, अभी सब पे लॉलीपॉप है, किटकैट है. So even if you make say 16 and above, तो it will run on lots of handsets.